Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, then go to search button and enter the model number B860 DS3H and then hit enter. Then click to product and click off there. Then click to support. Select operating system which is you require the driver. So Windows 10 any because installation process same. Chipset, scroll down and download the INF utility. Downloading. Then it is completed. Just single click to open and double click to exe. And then yes, now this is expecting. So wait 2 seconds to complete. Then close it.